Our Constitution says that we will have terms of court in Lewiston and Boise, as well as Twin Falls and Idaho Falls, and we have just continued to travel and expand that.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. That is our big story tonight. The Idaho Supreme Court is visiting eastern Idaho to hear a few cases. Eyewitness News reporter Jennifer McGraw met with the court justices today. Jennifer, I thought most states required cases to actually be heard in the state capitol.
For most states, that's true. Idaho, however, is among one of the few states to have a traveling Supreme Court. Today, I was fortunate enough to meet the justices as well as others at BYU, Idaho. Being the political science buff that I am, it was fascinating and truly an honor. Idaho Supreme Court is the state's highest court and also the court of last resort. In most cases, they hear civil and criminal cases from lower courts at the state capitol, but here in Idaho, the justices travel.
I think it's a good deal for the court to get out and hear the arguments where the cases arose.
Their job is to interpret the laws and the Constitution of Idaho and apply them to individual cases. Students at BYU, Idaho were welcome at a forum today to ask questions.
It shows a lot of character, I think, to come out here and level with us, the students, to be able to answer our questions on a one-on-one, kind of a more intimate basis.
One student asked the justices if their morals play a role in their decision-making.
We do nothing more than read what the statute says, give it the plain meaning, apply it to the facts, and that's that.
Students found this to be commendable.
Just their sense of public service, I think, was very impressive, and their desire to do as the law demands and not necessarily follow their own personal beliefs.
I think it's just a really good reminder to us physically as we travel through the state of Idaho to remind ourselves that we're accountable to everybody in this state, not just the folks that live in Boise.
The Idaho Supreme Court justices will hear 3 cases tomorrow morning in the Snow Drama Theater at BYU, Idaho. A short description of each case is available on our website at KIDK.com. For Channel 3 Eyewitness News, I'm Jennifer McGraw.
Two semi